So Mr. Cameron, tell me about the boat so far.
Well, it's a very nice boat. For 28%, I think this is more than enough for us to go down. Very spacious, and I think everybody look very excited and happy for the tour.
Alright, you hear that? So let's go now. As you can see at the top up there, that's Fort Charla. I think it's temporarily closed at the moment because they're doing renovation, but yeah, that's it right there. We're passing off Kingstown now and heading to Atley Hall, and then after Atley Hall is Camden Park. Look at how close it is. Right here, that's the Harmony Hall, Dryda. That's the name? I think so. And right over here is Camden Park now. This is where the container ships come and offload their containers. Maybe a container ship is there right now, I'm not 100% sure, but as you can see, there's lots of containers there. What do you think about the trip so far?
Yes, well, you know, as we're about to travel along to the Falls of Baleine, the trip is going very, very good so far. Splendid day.
And the...
I mean, when you look at the beautiful terrain, you know, the green, lush vegetation that we have here, I mean, it's really show how great God is. Because I came down here after the volcano erupted last year, and all you could have seen over there is brown. You know, but look at the green vegetation right now. So it's really, really good. The trip is good. I mean, today we decided to travel along the northwestern side of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and also known as the leeward end, the leeward side. Well, you know, most of us travel down the leeward side, but really it's travel up because we're going north. We're going on the northwestern side, so we're actually going up. But it's good. I mean, I have my little daughter Anaya. I mean, she's enjoying the cruise so far. I mean, she just hoped that she could catch a fish and see a fish jump into the boat. But I mean, we're having a good time. I mean, we have a lot of food to eat. We have a lot of drinks. So, I mean, we're having fun. We're outside! We're outside!
Yeah, man, you hear that from Curtis himself. Oh! Hi, nice fish, man. Right there is Volcanic Resort. But I think it's gonna be named Sandals Resort now. But they're renovating it at the moment. So check that out when you come to Vincent anytime. Oh, Dr. Evlo Yasawan. Yeah, man. Oh. Yeah. See, I saw some good smoke there, boy. Wait, man. Auntie Yvette, you can't sleep? You can't sleep? Oh, okay. Wait, don't ask you. You don't ask me long.
Here you come, my boy.
Oh, yeah, man. They have better thing in there, no? Yeah. So that right up there is the Lasso Fire, man. Recently erupted Lasso Fire. Yeah, if you're right there, so. See the grey at the top of the mountain? Still hasn't recovered as yet. That's ash. kill all the trees at the top. And right over there is a boat. Right there they say cleaning the fiber optic cable in the sea. So if internet go today, that is the reason. So I'm here with the owner of the boat, right? So if anybody interested in getting contact with you, how can they do that?
Okay, you can reach me on Facebook, right? Ivy Toes, Island Vibes Toes. I'm also on Instagram, you know, as Rossmo, that's my personal page, but I do, you know, promote and advertise Ivy Toes there.
Okay.
Right, so Ivy Toes, it's land and sea toes.
Land and sea toes.
Yeah, we do take care of you on the land and we also take care of you on the sea.
Okay, so you do tours all in like the Tobago Keys and...
Anyway, even South St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Okay.
I just like a month ago I went to St. Lucia on a special charter.
Okay, nice.
And I might be going back this soon. So I mean, I'm like a new kid of the block, right? You know, so I'm just like trying to establish myself.
So basically anything you do, because you do also land tours as well as you say.
Yeah, go land and sea tours.
So land and sea tours.
Operate a taxi service as well.
Okay, so if you ever come to St. Vincent and interested in going around, this is the guy right there.
My number, you could reach me also, contact ivtoes.svg@gmail.com, and my telephone number is 1784-528-3088.
Alright, you hear that? I'll also put it up on the screen for you guys to see. So we reached the Falls of Baleine now. Right in there we have to dinghy in on a smaller boat because this big one here can't go in, and then take the little hike to go up to the waterfall. So just stick around for that. There used to be a dock right there, but it got damaged when the tide got high. So there is not a dock there anymore. So you have to use the small boat. The dinghy with us call them here in St. Vincent, and going on the shore right there and then hike your way up. Alright. So this is a little trip going into the dock right there.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
No, we ain't thank you.
Jenna says something to your dad.
Jenna, like you frightened.
I'm scared.
Alright. So we reached the Falls of Baleine and hiking to the fall now. It's very dangerous though, guys. You see amount of rocks that are falling. Yes, it's very, very dangerous. So yeah, boys, reach.
So guys, turn on the camera here. So guys, I want you to look behind of me, okay? This is a fall of Baleine, but the fall is not so heavy today because there's not a lot of rain in the mountain. But guys, this is a place you gotta come here, you gotta be here and experience the same experience and vibes we feel today. This is Falls of Baleine.